nkonya bari tracksuit chipajama chokurarira imipira yengoyo y'amaguru amoneria ya netball nkonya bari socks chijezi chitai cheskuru asebo igo bagokora embroidery nkoresha bari sweater aseba kubeka amaliko yani labeling Boigo, nkoro isebole na konye changa cha KMTC egatiyo bakorera bonde ubunge niko bagotoka asamagacho abaraka building imeyumu chokisi ayu ali angene supermarket ya Shifling ugose nabo owakira Ruth SCB wetrasi namba 0720398360 Peak Uniform and Sports Center.
Wima Electricals and Electronics ni wauzaji wa bidhaa za kuunganisha stima na pia bidhaa za elektroniki zinazotumia stima kama vile televisheni, hoovers, decoders, birika za kuchemshia maji, mashine za kunyoa nywele, DVD player, bulb za aina zote, power extension, consumer units, showers, solar panels, inverters, industrial sockets, switch boxes, cooker sockets, circuit breaker, pasi, insulator, testers, meter boxes na zingine nyingi. Kwa mengi zaidi watembelee mjini Kisii katika jumba la Busi Plaza room namba G2 au wapigie simu kwa nambari 0715009827 au 0718607462. Wima Electricals and Electronics, the best electricals in town.
Spexels Opticians abo barase kliniki kya gudika imeyomo chokisi ngoro bare obokoreri au burengeta maiso nigo bakonia ebirore na korenga maiso wetera chi machine chekerero chubumanyi bwegoro bono nkwanchira barechi insurance ikobwatia AAR GA Insurance area ya Liason Eagle Africa Kenyan Alliance Pioneer Insurance Lucent Health Amoneria ya Star Discovery.
Karibuni Spexels Opticians Goodka Clinic Kisii Town. Hii ndio kliniki bora ya macho pekee yenye mashini za kisasa na za uwezo wa hali ya juu. Tuko na madaktari professional kabisa kama Daktari Sigei na tunafanya free eye test.
Mimi ndiye Daktari Sigei. Hapa kwetu Spexels Opticians tunazo frames na lenses mbalimbali. Lenses ambazo zinasaidia katika kutatua shida mbalimbali za macho kama vile kutoona mbali, kutosoma maandishi za karibu na hata kupunguza mwangaza.
Asomo chokisi nigo bagotoka angene dukene neyo bonchoreria ya Shifling Supermarket na boigo ebenki ya KCB. Mabwate boigo eduka imeyo mocho Nairobi asamagacho Balfour House, Kimathi Street, Mbarabare na Java House. Asamanke onyeko ganetie konyora obokoreri asomo chokisi bakire simi wetrase namba 0110505501. Noria otageto obokoreri imeyo mocho Nairobi na boko bakire simi ase namba 0110001333. Spexels Opticians, macho bora kwa wote. Enyagetari ya Ram Hospital Kisii nige korwa bokoreri bobo bwenya ase ebirengo begoro. Abokoreri bakorwa ngamona in and outpatient MCH clinic gose maternity na bagokora consultation, ultrasound, CT scan, X-ray, dialysis, occupational therapy na physiotherapy. Gobwenya bare omuchando bwa maino bwa maiso na boigo amangana yebirore. Okubarwa goke no kubarwa okonene. Boigomba bwate eduka ya Mariogo. Ngurwa bare obokoreri bwa ambulance chinsa emeronke bere na nye. Gwanchira bare insurance chikobwatia NHIF, AON, Minute, Liason, APA, Madson, Britam, Trident na boigo area ya AAR. Naboko batarera asenyagatari abo ya Ram angene kigambiro ya Kisii. Gose nabo wake simu wetrase namba 0725150744. Ram Hospital Kisii. Health first and health always.
Kwikira bono ayebunu mwagachi kwa manyire duka okogenda kujya ibintu byose biri gukorera imirimo yawo. Osmo Traders Limited niko babwate kitali cyo kwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igokubeka sinyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo ekikobe kwesiko babwate sanitary wares ubuna chising chibakuri cheti cyo cyonsi showers, towel holders, soap dishes, racks, mirrors na hand basins. Chirangi chonsi chiriya chikuburukanibwa ne computer nabo igo chiri spray paints no chire mbabwate chipboard buna chips and boards, MDF boards na chip boards. Ebinto au byo gukora plumbing buna PVC joints, PVC pipes na chi water taps chonsi no chire boigo na bokugura chi curtain rods, hood screws, chingulu chonsi, door locks, chi pipe wrench spanners, screwdrivers, banyore, old Sansura building, angena Kisii main bus stage, gusua Kisimi, ase namba, enoti sano na ibire, eye mokianda, inye isano, enoti inye isano nemo, Osmo Traders Limited, customer satisfaction guaranteed. Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi omurubiri okubwatya nigo kuligirirwa n'ebigori byonsi.
ngakendo manchomo letu komera na sense moya tasene Ndizi TV ase obwansuma usina boni ganto bateri bagalia bene Diego sanga bena somro beli wechi gosore bana botambe obochore ntuna nchende mo Steven Captain 001 baro bakuboli ndake captain ninki yakolekanira ase chigosori chagusi ase kagetari getambe limbe kingote bike boikani kurenda ase bono ndayo tengera Ndizi TV aiga no bwansuma gusi. Manchoma randa kena manga kwa kanirero igase orgongorwa gusini bengo TV amange gati yabo etimi ya Gucha UTFC mbagwa ati agosoria away chinsemo cha Chemilil pare kosoria mone timi ya Oneno Nam nimbengo TV amachivu kurwase machivu kurwase agosoria yu machivu aranda kama ya Gucha se Gucha Youth abwanda kipobate gosemeli kokeigo unanda kena vromba waterivaga lyokorwanira gutanga nirombe bare ya FKF Division 2 Central Zone rero iga Gusi FC mbagwa ati agosoria yabo gesemeli ya Kisii School nimbengo TV machivu kurwase enseme yu chinsemo cha Kisumu etimi ya barali bagusina barabumba bwate omupiro kebosani amuna barali ko ruchinsemo cha Kisumu asegetigia Kisumu Day naro ngotevya machivu gatia machivu ande arengete chigoso konderero igantu batiri bagalia bene lyo gusanga na oyo kabere kocha bwe timu ya White Hart FC. White Hart ne timu gosoria seligi ya FKF Division 2 babere liga yuase emyake menge ne timu ngazi ya chitimu chirikorongo rwa Gusii chibwato manyo bonge bwa liga ya FKF Division 2 kudo yobere ekocha seke getamba seboniga agate babuna ndake nigarengereti arake ebintu ebingao kando na White Hart andake asagane tiko tema ebintu binde ebingao na tebya ndake obokoreri bwa yase White Hart na kibabere wekera boniga na ndake riye korera bono otebuna atageta temege tikingao asamagana rengete chiko sorry igo welcome andake Mr. Evans Areba na kitima nyandake na bogoto kwani ngorusemo kielio korwa na kedande tume nda sentune nde somoro biri wechigo sorry
byamono Steve na bategarari ba mintu bonzi abakwani bwire byomwenzi Italiane Evans Areba na beire aseti mkuru White Hart zaidi ya miaka 10 lakini nabwo atugite kitariki 17 chumutinyukane atatuwa wate mupira ne timu ya neno na maybe liba gali gwanjira ngo nyara kueleza reasons and ikimbangite otema sama tukabitumia
mwana sana andake kwa rabuna kwa vile ne timu gwetania miaka 10 mwancho mali yune miaka mingi miaka jarite miaka ndake Arsene Wenger verite sema Arsenal miaka jarite miaka ri ndake sa Alex Ferguson avete sema chiricha Manchester United kona kibuna umanyira manga tali tukwetera timu ya White Hart FC kurenda manarengete enko ya gusiste ngencho miaka 10 kwa base timu ya ere kati chiligi chirichire chaigoro ese timu chorongo ragusi orori ramange aliandake arakonya kolengo aituske bosio kilitwa korire buya na kilitwa akora buya kurende coach timu nyandake inkeria ye kya korete 10 years ago wati abuna nakibonya rote White Hart 10 years ago.
Asante. There was a time to asangite story ya Sokotambe lakini there's no problem na ungo yirorera na renge secondary school kuruko Matongo mixed ime ya kumchali distance nyingi sana kuruasi home ground ya White Hart kuruko Nyamirako. So most of the players na renge na barabuo bagatoka ngabakuri school mwaka 2015 basokire ku school. So ngachikolengera line talent inaro chibagwata se school team na kigo chikoba honest nkalengerelia that it could be wise to go venture into federation football. That is how nanya that was a team in the year 2016 na ngachaka with most of the players balenge baba kanyaba kuri secondary school ya Matongo mixed na bande still balenge abanafunzi bagendrete abo ibonanya kwenye la team
iganda kene gone timu kwa nyorete ya rengo ro korende kutruwa matibo na barabo cyabona ndake unyade kwibwata na barabo
exactly na bayarenge
timu ndake kero kwa nyorete timu ya White Hart kwa bane timu ndake akweteri baganda keria bagotema ibyego biri kwa bwate kwa ruti birachika bigosare kwa nyorase oraive ke unyade kwa gokobirera binyole exposure engi yagwetanire chisekandari ko ruti sema cha Matongo timanya kero kwa nyora White Hart na timu kikwa nyorete in terms of structures shabo ndigi eligi ko yora balinge no season yabo ya kadengana na structures cha denge kwa goswa White Hart
kingo so roti yarenge kwa league no yarenge and it was different yarenge ko Volcano Football Club tournament yarenge and that was all. So around 2016 that was the same year to attempt the league yarenge kwa provincial, I think provincial, lakini tuache ukora buya kwa tegete playoff tutwa succeed so tukaba discourage tukakwemia mwaka 2016. So 2017 tukaenda back ya team ya yarenge tournament. 2018 the same thing lakini 2018 naende abagosolia boka abanyina bagateba twale gotema naende league rimo. By 2018 there was a new structure each league. Provincial league was no longer there. One of the happy sub-county league was a district league. Togatua kuru sub-county league. We were having the county league, then division 2 regional jarengo by then. Agutira which is division 1 super league and premier league. So in the year 2018 tukagenda back to zero tukachaka kurwa sub-county league. Ya Bonchari Wasikisi South. Tukakora very well. Tukakora sub-county league na champions. Tukanyora promotion to county league the same year 2018. County league nero togaka. We had a very good season lakini tukalose during the playoff ya kwetu at Kisii Stadium. Tukalose as team ya Renge Kuru kwa Sameta Football Club. Yisku is yetayo. After losing to Sameta Football Club mwaka 2018 at the stadium, abantu ba Renge Federation, the likes of Yopes Masanta, Bakarura, they promised that was in the squad that we had very young boys, very aggressive, very determined. In as much as Sameta ya new qualification, actually bagakora a lot of lobbying. Bagateba White Hart na Nyori baga Kanyori baga as a division 2. Season internally bagakora very well. Actually we were number 3. Season internally jabet interrupted na COVID because it was the first leg. Tukakora number 2, number 1 after first leg. Yeah, was 24 points thing ya kuru kubandani ya Kisumu. I'm informed Nero squeeze ya yete kawaida. Kawati wene timu ya kuru kudero with 23 points. Dero Nero na chakuriala here at the back. Squeeze waka was encountered the years home. White Hart na number 22 points. They are maiden season internally. That is what determination could do. and I would say we had a very good start. Yeah.
Nimetandake onyambono kuwatana na itu mancho marire onomoro beri wechi go sorry na inche ndemo Steven Captain 001 agano onye kuwate ibodi intelligence tirengete chigo sorry mono chigo sorry asorongo rwagusi aigano ko wuli nchira yao kwanyora machibu kurwa NCMA na tobati bagale bene doko banere Evans Areba ujo bira se League FKF Division 2 wetani miaka 10 teyukira boniga kwa kibana bwata mange aliara erere kirikira kode toskevosio na kiranda kia tobekire story wikira boniga buna ndora tore sema tukavwango iga timu kurwa nsemo ya Division 2 na goswa Division 1 kurwa sorongo rwagusi na teganda kia ebitango ebinene bibiko bambirivi na timu chira atwale byagaso byagaso Division 1 ninki biwente gokora irinde binya timu ekyanda ko bachigoskavuzi ko nyora una chinsemo chiri cha Facebook tonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital chinsemo cha YouTube tonyara gwetera Ndizi TV News website www.ndizitv.net konkira nchebuna Captain chinsemo cha Facebook ndama Steven Captain 001 tonyara ko batugosanga mange ali arengete chiko sunasi kagetari getambe ngotebya mange igoro yakuza awards wetera gwanchumuri uno chiko soli nemero beriende na kiora nyare ko bago kwa kire kura yao Ndizi TV kwa unageta ni kiao ese kagetari getambe dinyare koba kingogotebi kurende nimete wasuri NCMA ya White Hat na nimete ne timu wanchite koko so NCMA ne timu wanchite no nyebono kurende bono obwatava sae abana bake oruri baganda kiriyo bura ina korire timu yake gokina timanyanda ke system security kwaga niti chibe se timu ngakie yugo gochaka ebe oburusa sengencho idea ndayo sirigerengia as good as a plan yebwate yokunyesukibosyo
Biamono sana. I'm sorry never go one ratio ya structures in Kwamburi as a legal data, but it's a good opportunity to have on. By the time now, so in the year 2016, to about the management, I want to be very categorical about that. Nkasanga with a few members of the community, let us have management, let us have a chairman, at least a secretary and a treasurer, bakaba supportive to that kind of arrangement so that Kibaroro, they were able to do administration, and to have an Usinjibune coach, so that Legasiane, the Kanyara Kumbus, like to train players, prepare them for matches, field them, Legasi Kabaraisi. And I would say, Pakabon, Evanana, Toro, still structures in Jiro, maybe what the executive is separate in the playing unit, which is a very good thing. For the years now, very thorough, na veteno moyosana, nande gatema. I did not fail to try Ochakia, a youth team. Why? I believe in the youths, and the reality nailinga, Mogosolia, no Makokogenda, it becomes older, or less productive. So I could over the youth team, Nabokogenda back, Wareto Mchezaji, Umachil, Usora Nakumacho, integrate, or replace you with Tireka Kende, very less productive. I'm sorry to say that the idea youth team did not pick very well. Jaring in place from Yakaya 2016, 2017, 2018. But thereafter, the person not trusted in a youth team, Kamusamagaga, Vana Valiva Kamusamaga, some of them to the Temakova, Arakisha Kobasai, senior team, Pagasingo Cope, so most of them disappeared, Kurumo Pira. And even as I was leaving, Havana Valinona, but joined the community. They were there, not interested in Mopira, but I hope that now that I've paved the way, Valivati will tell Rombanya Lenchira, Yokonyara, Korean back, Kiagera, youths, Bagwata road that they can offer as a and for my
Nimetanda ke kero sanga yonsi piga ndake tore White Hat FC abagol banyamanyira mutukarero banyamanyire Conference ya FKF Division 2 kurende kwerere sabali goikabuna yana teko bakegotira nakyo ratebe experience gie team ya bere sense ya FKF Division 2 ase mobira se kigetambe kurende kurengana na bali bakuri kuneli solia isiko batamanya buna imere ndake mechanda ndake ya structures kuseme chando echirete daro nenivo oso kunyara gue team ko ikachiko soli chiaye kwariga nikipoikiranu erira ndake mono White Hat kwa a middle table team chinga kichinyinga sichense mochi ya FKF Division 2 league.
Yeah, I would say challenges still chinchanya kubora, lakini kirege ntonke bwate the good side and what we call the ugly side. Asemeke na verorore menge. Season 2 akorete buya na gote bine maiden season ya 2019. But thereafter, I'm sorry whatever, and I think it is in the public knowledge season ya awarded year 2020, 2021. team here survived narrowly, or relegated back to regional league, but then regional league actually. So Koruden Rurenga Kiria team tianya perform we are kabati go perform we are kabego tuale intondanya kokade zongo mixed fortunes. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose bakege moro chinga queen ya to kill last minute kwanyora loss ya chire. There has been that challenge, consistency in that there have a team was a year and Goroba time was in you never know. It's 2 weeks is another ton of consistency here is possible. Finances, every other time now very study and very cholera, resources have a big problem. To an extent that sometimes as an individual, as a coach, now go some book. Now make some things via move. But that is we can also move. We do what the network group yabantu bakeo. Pare go making the via move. Pare go fundraise, and make the chigem, chiawe, na wake chianka. I remember there were a few occasions where we can talk because the fair had a problem, but we operated by faith, and despite the we could sometimes we could find our way. Somebody comes through, and we kept going. So it has been a journey that has not been smooth. That was mixed fortune. There was a time now I realized that the issue of training became a very big thorn in my flesh. I required training all the way from Musochu because Chibwana Nyakwe. Again, all the way to Nyamirako, spending on the way. Manual was delivery for training, sometimes 0, sometimes 0. So it has not been a very smooth journey. It could be frustrating. Rather, it was frustrating, and it will remain frustrating because na sacrifice from my na tigregas ya nebo alimukadi notunga na chill the field ko train players ekinta kitabachi kwa weekend. They are not there. A weekend they are there. Sometimes tiko mchezaji siko na hata mashabiki yaje inki kocha tigera swando so isiko. That kind of pressure has not been healthy, and it is not going to be healthy for the team. I want to say it here. Kiagara inche kuno monto urenge korwa very far from the community. There is no single dinner to me at favoritism. Also kumanyana. And the day urenge mokotori urenge relative yana, I would use merit. I would use a form young chezaji. Naro yonali in good form, let me be more in good form to have a revenge. But there were many times I would be crucified for those kind of decisions, and really, sometimes enough is already too much. Looking at the circumstances and more critically, by the time I was leaving, the form was very poor. Form yet. She wins at all. She drew 6. She defeated at all. Point that was a poor run of results, and it was the main reason not deciding maybe this team needs fresh blood. Monto Maasa, never had any ideas, never had any motivation. That is how I found my way out of the team. But I'm very clear that team got any hatred towards the team or anybody. It is still my team, I'll still remain a fan. And I'm already wishing them a win as a game.
Metandaki wa kwenda na wikirenga kiandake kwale kwa koso kensemo ya White FC ntwagwate chiwini sato chidro isano nemo gusira chigosori sato karoko riandake sori wala banchi umupira baime okorana ke etime konyora chidro isano nemo ne timu erengia ne timu igwate potential kode ndagoro kubuna the cutting edge gose konyora ndake into kirikiganiri ogwetwa ngori kuganiri kwa mweli kwene kiandake ewini mobwate ya egore ya mobose mwanye protected gose egemwere makari mwanyo renguru yo mweli creativity yo mweli yakonyore gori obobui gose onye murinse mwanyare kuba mukolere mwanyo rende yo comment no kwene kibona neme chando meke yandake egokore timu esenjo chidre chisano nemo nimbota wende buna gwetero kweroberio gwikiranu na bujare goncho kada koba chidroi sana nemo na chioro nya chidroi sato gusenya na bubu ibobere ese ligi FKF division 2 bade chitimu chinke ntuna chipoint sana nemo chira konyare koba chogoikyale ko ndiri mete gwakwanire igoro ya egame ya onino nam koba buna musio bwege ntukirikio muri ose gosori yo mweri otenerete temenye game yero na kinyare koba buna rego sori yawo yo mweri na ndake ne gosori andake yakoge cheti gose kuirira ekubeka okuna cha kulikuwa na chabu na ndake ese koba ese mu ya White FC na temi revions pe miaka 10 hakitia antaba na rubara tema
Jamana soko mali bageri so that make the record straight because unfortunately ndemo even as I left this team na connect with one of the management officials kama tele abange meeting soon banda ngeli so that to alikuwa not with the intention yoko iran of course so that to alikuwa issues on the table tatebani kikiele ganega na achire na baga niriama. Sadly I have tried making call chisinate miroa kachionzi chalera na answered tayo kubwata simiane ndio kumakira back. So it's like I'm a very desperate person right now, but that's not the case. Set the record straight about the game now. Now, this issue of players were going to missing from training and matches, sometimes for a month or two. They got to chikadi chiaba na soki na chirochu by mistake. Ekarato arwete isabane. I misplaced them. So by the time we game na mwego chaka to ngatema ko negotiate na opponents ya one na to legal FIFA connect to replay nero to banjira baga insist baga they want physical cards. So by the time we go chaka ngaimukie motorbike kwenda buone kwenda kuligichika.
Ngale sori yanka yarenga nyamerako.
Yes. Kwenda buone kuligichika hicho. It took me a lot of time watch trace. Actually na by the time we nyanga na gitiege 70 minutes. The team work with 8 players against 11.
Scores.
There was a lot of misunderstanding. A lot of judgment was made on me. So many things were said game. But I'm not that stupid. Think of Mujiki Wangi Kinga, Nkopchachikadi, I read Timaka Wachizaji Vadeles, the team Webu. If I wanted to fix matches, I want to make it clear. For the 10 years I was there, I would have fixed so many matches. And the being young, I don't think I need to an extent. Now, with cards, I get a recananga, I would have done it in a clever and intelligent way. Again, my record is very, very clear for the years now as a team area. There are things I did. This is now the year 2021. I even went out of my way behind the scenes or make steps. Chia konye the team when they get Division 2. So I do not know if 2021 Division 2. Like in the year 2024, in sabotage defeated. That is not true. Let the public know that that was not the case. So I can agree to an extent that Mr. Asega those levels, it's not possible to continue. You continue with the who? With those levels of mistrust.
Yeah. Mwe kwasa nende curious kwa no mwanju na curious anda kia osore na kierete machiu ya osore na kierete.
Quite at lost 1-2. By the time I was not with a teenage card, it was 1-0. Karawa 11 by equal as a 1-1. But still they lost Baravan to Kumina Moja 1-2. That is it. So Mbiyamana Sokong at this forum, you will clarify that is the position.
Meta se bali bakopwati andake gocha koranda ke gosore moya ikirire ko eranda ke etimu go konsarana gutwara chingana ngane nyinga se team no kana ndemiro konyora kuruma ka bia biro randa kinimete gati abia kwade iru korende barabara te barake no mwalimu obwatere tiri tukeri yera kabwatere okoba mangana abirororo agatumike incident ye mukoru ororo wose nense moya nze meyende yobote ne riada ke koranda ke una egosore ye mubuna ya beire igara bakabwatere egosore ye muna barabu kwandake kunyara koba bagwa kanda ke Mr. Evans Areba isikoti manyanda ke ngobwaterereti
Mr. Ndemo kubwatereti ko yandonsi kagitomenta 1+1 yenye 2 na kwenda about response to training. Response to training na kwenda about results. Because clearly you will see an interrelationship. Then I can talk kwenda about turnout your training and results team. You will be able to see that things were not right this season, especially this season. 30 years this season, things were not right. As a football, I'm going to talk about the infinite part of football, the things that happen behind the scenes. The real what happened behind the scenes, the season demo, without disclosing, they have not been good for me. On the place, you might think things were going well, and I would say on studio my opportunity, and I tell how things were good. Things were not right. That is why there would be a problem in training. Problem here, still about performance. And then when I looked at all this, why do I stick as a team where I'm supposed to produce wins? I am there, generating defeats, generating draws, fixing matches, so to say, and all that. The best thing was to step aside. So what it was a rational decision that I made. Team work the team.
Ndake timanya se ndake ngane kwatanti esencho na bere ngutashika soli chaino mokonyio ngobare gitije kinyingi andake ngakiende mangana regete ose training ngotukale timanya rasa kyandake batale oteba andake ngorore kara timu chinde batebane technical bench tari raisa ko rabu ndake emonto mondake okaba sacrifice osoko uri umusige tonje nonye players mama tekiye ko korekana timanyaro nakibone yegete aigese nonye burai mubwa nini encherere stable se formote yo kurende musio barai gose consolidation ngotokere nakibone togete buno mwedio ye ndake nayo kunyara gabo ko paisiko gose no koba orochadake utari kurunsemeri
chintagete ko tabana, that is the reason kegeronye ya renge onye ndiya renge nga originally was a problem. Maybe somebody now at the carriage center because they don't come from our community.
Ngwende tegete ande miaka 10 na ngobo chando cha gete kale.
It was going in that direction. You have asked about the assistant coach and why the blame was not coming to us. Might take an to look at the back. Where does the back stop? The back stops at the desk of the coach. The responsibility for wins, the responsibility for losses, is at the coach's desk. Assistant no mutako bangega somotera ronkoreke. So if things are not working, it is up to the coach. It's up to the coach. But I'm glad that young man, I mentored him. Initially, I was all alone in the bench. Because it's not right. Kegera, when the scripture says, for Elijah, there was Elisha. Mentorship. For Moses, there was Joshua. Karinga someday na bonkuruga position. Let me raise. I took personal effort to raise that young man. He was a player. I think I'm going to tell you, in this responsibility. When he went for CAFD, I said to him, the little support that I could be able to do. So I am glad that I didn't leave a vacuum because I will not take a vacuum if I had not raised this young man. That's one thing I'm proud of. I have no regrets, and I'm glad that they decided he takes over from me. I know he will do a good job.
Andake kano na kwena kebune timu ya White Hat FC korunye manana ya FKF Division 2 wikira boniga ekuna ntadake abansi baratebuna andake ngakia omwalimu areba timu teira ne tinze nimete kuri ento kiga cyo kingereza timu chinde tani chiro chikwira nanse ichinde chiro chigokwa korende nendo geta ikara netenga kiyao korense meyu timanya kando nekyo ngati ya bintu kibiri bidyo go chengera dake unabye ikiranete engaki yao
liboligia sana. Nabonkuli Steven Devinge sana. The team will sustain a slot here in Division 2. It's a plus. Okoba in a position, Yoko Reis, the assistant coach, is a plus. During my reign, of course I was not dynamic management, lakini I advocated strongly. The team never the club account, a plus for me. During my tenure, I was not in management still, lakini we were able to work. The team never the registration certificate as sports officer. The only team in which I got that registration certificate. During my tenure, we had some major local trophies, like the most recent one, Yarenge, a tournament, Mheshimiwa Polo and aspiring, take around 180,000. It's one thing to be proud of. Still during my tenure, the team had the opportunity which is a Betikana community. I wish I could have had a clip lakini just the tournament ya Betikana community of 2019. Ndeta ya kisi, timu yetama nyekaine. Ikaba a chance to finish number 2. And then above all that, during my tenure, I tried in my own small ways to brand this team. I've tried to brand it the few products you see around, the calendars that were seen some years back, the polo shirts, a few things here and there were my ideas. And I'm saying, if there was anything good, I said to Brina initiative team, they carry on with them. And they scrap them and start afresh.
Timanyanda ke soli ba kupa koro chanda ke mbaro chanda ke ne timu wanchite ne timu gweto mira nero korra yakira sere no nyeme chando yonsi alengo rotoro chime chando geto manero timanya sene bara bulianda ke umwalimu boni gana kwa teliba nkikera akolekane insi eliova korra buna Mr. Boy rande semo ya White Hat ne tabana sekango gie coach kurende kengo kiende kira akonye koronge yebintu
Mtavega Steve nchenoonde as a fan. Financial contribution, I will give financial contribution. So I'm not out of the team. I'm just out of the team as the head coach. And they make the record straight. Till the Koirana back to White Hat and position your head coach. It is a no. Kiagera, Nenjinimbo Natagotema, new experience. This year, in that wonderful Cup B, I've been having Cup C. For 2019, it is time that I advance my studies. I'm planning to go to course ya CAFB. Koira emeti nyene 4 months. That is one of the things I want to do. 2, back in my school, I work my students very well.
Cardinal.
Yes, here in the long run, those young boys around now are going to feed this club, including White Hat, if they're interested, are going to feed these clubs with talent. That is the path I've chosen for now. A path you can White Hat, not everyone. No. Thank you.
In any other capacity apart from fan, no.
No, I'll remain a fan. That is enough.
Monchivriata una Savoniga and Ake at una hime and Savoniga and I can be tipping our Savoniga and Copacotema, my Copanero as a Miakai, Comina, Gatia, Lindochago to the Karachi SMS, in Rochaiga, Victor, Omondo, Mienda, Chinse Mocha, Facebook, Dizi, TV News Digital Live. I'm watching live from Nairobi West to Kopa Moja hadi tamati. Asante sana man Victor kutoka upande ule wa City. Ndochaiga Teresa Umbogo, however, I'm watching live from Saudi Arabia. Mbaya sana Teresa kurutinse mochirichia Saudi Arabia. Ndochaiga Nicholas Ogega, tinse mochia Facebook however na kurutinse mochirichia Nyansongo stage. Ta komocha kovase shombe mono Nicholas asokova tinse mochirichia omoroberi kati abali batobekeire chi SMS cyabo wekera boniga umwanchumuri ko ndanda ketora nda sensemeria umutimoko mbararanda ke bono barabule ndake advice kyora atwale ese oburayi bwabone singe sebonigaro priority ese bonige nigere tukutikara se league ese team ya White Hat FC imenye kwe roberi bosibwe ntunde ko bwate timanya umbose mikyora abeke ese team ya White Hat FC chasaise wanchi tigara se league bosibwe league ere bosio nkyora gani abali bagotigara bakore.
Of course, Tindi Shua was an authorized Kurwanda was with Yasabare, but sometimes I see free. The second one that a Kamuyoka attitude, negative Yamana, attitude, Ereborong, even telling in Kowak, including Timila with Dr. Rasa by Chakarakan. It was because of attitude, because he's never to do you believe I can heal you to tell yes. Like in a attitude wrong, many things will not work. I'm challenging my friends or not in whatever capacity, other fans, other officials, other players, attitude, let them check on their attitude. Let them have a positive attitude towards killing the girl pregnant. And things will work out. Now I was in one woman
Wachamurira ura wabasemi bunanda ke banyareka bagoncherera nsemeria keberengereri kiabo konde mbaroroka dosanga igoro ya team White Hat FC kiraboni nganigera se ensemo ya zone ya Central Zone SL ya FKF Division 2 na kerengo yakabagi konye morekera weekend ya nyaragu etantwa timu ya White Hat FC gekogeni gwamone timu ya Gucha Youth FC chinsemo chirchia Sameta Grounds na gosori ya renge egosori yengenjase oko ruoko na chavuna ndake ingora tangane ase erombe yuna ase gosori yunigo Gucha Youth batara kerabara gosori na White Hat Gucha Youth baringa vakabere na barengite yandake omonganyi gati yabo ne timu ya Gucha Stars kurwa chipointi isano cyangwa bagitegara chipointi vere kurende tegento getanya rekaneta se timu ya White Hat FC yachete makadi je chigori vere ase chigori vere igani twanda nsemo ya kabere studio tunyole ebirengerero kurwa nsemo ya oborokia kurwa se timu ya White Hat FC
ekone mengaja eyo
Kwa majina naitwa Mika Onsongo, team manager White Hat FC. Leo tumekuja away kwa game ya Gucha Youth. Game imekuwa mzuri hata kama hatujapata, tulikuwa tunatarajia win lakini tumepata draw. Tumejituma kwa hii game. Asante kwa players wamejituma. Game plan yetu imefanya kazi. At least tumepata chenye tulikuwa tunatarajia. Ni vigumu sana kupata draw kwa Gucha Youth lakini tumejaribu, tumepata draw kwa game ya leo. Tactically hatukuwa tunatarajia ikuwe hivi, lakini walipata mapao ya kirahisi kwa sababu ya mistake kidogo kidogo, lakini tutarudi kwa training tuirekebishe for the next game. Sisi kama White Hat tunazidi kung'ang'ana ndio at least tupaki kwa ligi, kwa sababu mahali imefikia saa hii gap yenye iko na ya kwanza na sisi imekuwa ndefu kidogo, lakini kila game yenye imebaki tumebakisha game 4. Kila game yenye imebaki tunaichukulia kama finali, tutacheza tutafute hizo pointi 12. Msimu tulianza vizuri lakini ikafika katikati ikakaa ngumu. Finances players kwa manage nayo ikakuwa ngumu, lakini tunaendelea kusukumana na hao at least tuone penye tutamaliza ligi.
Hoyo amekanevna Mika Onsongo umubatani korwa se timu ya White Hat FC teta karego kurego sori yandake White Hat FC konyore point korwa se oyo kurigege kokurwa ndege kombe Gucha Youth FC timu yanke machiba ngencho kia bwata kwa ngana machiba ndake atogete nsemo ya first leg eyukwa linge head coach.
The two matches each draw. First leg kind of 0-0, second leg 2-2. So the season area tumate Gucha ya home and away. So but with time you see what motivation could do wakati and lazima tuwaite. So that is why they were able to at least we had to manage those kind of results during this second season against Gucha. But really amangana alikuwa na there before and kwa yarega edit ya 2-0 kwa sekonda ya betro ya 2-2
second half bado Gucha ikanyore red card.
There are so many issues to be addressed there. Teammate issues injury because ni yams but there are so many issues over the address
andake chinga keche chinando chagarote ba korokwa Nicholas oyana asome message yae korwa chinse mochirichia Nyansongo stage ate bata komo chana amanje ule matembaro bagonde bakonyo risko bante bi captain tonkwaneti chate yondago kwane onyi turari ka message senge message yao nalingo reki wate bire senge ningo kwana inki wate baigo mbuya kwari ke message ngo sande nsemo ya SMS line bali bonsi batorigirete ate mwalimu naro koruchinse mochirichia raganga umo minyoki ni nyare ko baginkorra nere message ya nseme rienda maika nseme riende andake biringe bembiri bikurende oyo ndara ko kwega Wilson Mandela ate babuna coach Areba, I appreciate you for the chance always, wish you the very best. Akoru koruchinse mochirichia Ogembo White Hat FC player Wilson Mandela no might
mwanafunzi wakati na sign to the team.
Okay. Besana teba all the best Eric Osura teba kuruchinse mochirichia Keumbu Litaro ateba akondani hadi tamati. Asante sana Eric korwa chinsemo chiricha Keumbu chinsemo chia Nyaribari kodo chinga kie chichwe gosoro yumancho mwereri timu ya Gucha Youth FC nero nigo nayo tibari abeniro gusangana omo team manager bwe timu eyu otwerereta mange gore akirikia gendrete koerere gosoro yarengi yengenchase Gucha Youth FC na baraba ira selige ya sege kafa kwero ka The Rapids vero kauna Gucha Nensensi tima nyanda kenkia bwatikia wateba kurensema ya kabire studio.
Naitwa Victor Mumanyi, team manager wa Gucha Youth FC. It's our home game. We trained for a win na imesha draw. Tunasemaga kwa game kuna lose, kuna win na kuna draw. Ime happen tumedraw. Like tumegawa point moja moja. Imekuwa game nzuri. Tuliweka kikosi cha kwanza. Tukateleza kidogo, concede bao mbili. Change kikosi, tukafanya substitutions. Come back na bao mbili. Then ika happen time tunataka kushinda, tukakuwa one man less. I guess that is where tactically to fail after to lose one man. Ika happen kwanza labda dakika ya 60 to 90 tukashikana bila kufungana, and we expected to win. As I said earlier, ikuwa kitu tulikuwa tuna expect. Since ni home ground, we were expecting a win, but game imesha draw. Saa hii tuko na difference ya point 4 na timu ambayo inaongoza yenye ni Gucha Stars, and still we are not going to give up. What we can promise our fans is that the next games tutahakisha kwamba tumezishinda, including game ambayo tunacheza na Gucha Stars, because that is the game that is going to determine team gani inaenda playoffs. I think kama umekuwa ukifuatilia game zetu, first leg was the same case. After we lost against Onenonam hapa Sameta, tulipiga draw 2 ndio tukaanza kushinda. I guess after players wetu wame lose, ukiangalia kwa ukifanya analysis, ukiangalia tangu ligi ianze tume lose game 2, na ukiangalia after tume lose, morale ya players wetu inarudi chini sana. Tunapiga draw ndo wanaanza kushinda. So I guess from next.
Pino team manager ole konte ibuna ndake guikabare gwetuma magiga yo kwenda magaria sego sori yu na ntibanda kikolengana na historia ye team ya Gucha Youth FC ya tebuna ngake ndo sibara se ligi kereva siriria ko sori se basirite ko sori hema moja eba gocha baenda chidro ange chidro chibwatika inange ibiri 3 na ambaye chidro ye chuba kaenda na team ya Kiari Sebania bakaenda mone team ya White Hat FC kereva kone chidro chiba kwenda na chijira chobo bui ingakira na lero igamba go soria sevali ko soria muna timu ya Onenonam timu kwenye namba ya 3 na se soria yari nga wechi nsemo cha Chemilil torra Gucha Youth FC ke kurwa nsemo ya kabere na venyo robo bui bwegole ya masebosa na ingenjo bubonera se standing ni gobono Gucha Stars atangaine korende omunganyi kati ya timu ya Gucha Youth FC ligere bone point ya yemo na se point ya Street Koliankyo ni timu ya Gucha Youth amasawa yembu na ndake White Hat FC either enyo robo bui oseo yende makali kera achire makali timu ya Gucha Stars emende mwanyabe chi point 2 na se osurilabe yo mwelio ekorokude Gucha Derby kati ya Gucha Youth na timu ya Gucha Youth FC adake Gucha Youth esabenyo robo bui kurendeli tukoliankyo timu ya Gucha Stars enyo robo bui na bako baba nyango kunonyea gosuri yo mweli itaranya kubage kokosuri singenjo yo bachukaba ko yigoro munganyi bwechi point isato inye andake bono timanya andake mwalimu White Hat FC enyo rasere nere kwa mua nkaye kombe kegoji abuno andake nyere ko bake ko nito kwanda igore ya Gucha Youth ko mwabire rombe mase kegetambe timanya kyora tebe igore ya ogweto moko kwa Gucha Youth ronye gwatwari mechanda mwana nsemo ya second league kunde buna to kwa naboniga mbabwateri bagalo ko rwaniro bonyankongo
umane asa football to whatever ko game ya possibilities ulioko ro munyonge tunabakugwa ulioko ro mo kongupi sometimes yotelia kwa nyoro bwiru well mathematically tungo kwa na muntu ko ligerelia from that perspective chitimu chimesibiri cha Gucha either Youth or Stars chigwate chance yo gukora na mbeye mbona ko gande playoff However, kuna bwatebire match ya Mambia Bucha Stars ikabwata Nyamira against Whiteheart is one of the factors. So we are looking at the remaining matches na nataka gochera chige mchego cha youth chitigalete nchiri chechi chige mchego cha Stars chitigalete nchiri chechi. Then starting from tomorrow, if Bucha Stars is beaten by whatever margin, then Bucha youth na bego tuara a chance ya kugenda by winning the remaining matches, even a better playoff. If there is a draw, still chances is one of the two teams. Like if there is defeat tomorrow against Whiteheart, which I strongly doubt. The last time the Stars were playing at Nyamira, it was a humility game from the sidelines as fans. We looked at their game and we saw that there is a very easy plan to deal with it. The guys who remained behind, if they implement that plan we talked about, it's the same plan that they implemented against the youth. They can beat Stars.
First like na kimo agete na ki Whiteheart FC agete na team ya Bucha Stars. Okay. Okay.
So basi implement a plan na wako a counter plan na wako nyoro kuimambia kwa draw against Bucha Stars.
Kada mwalimu wote bavoigo andake naro team ya Bucha Stars nero tiranyara kopage kurare kirasi mechi ko soli chabwango iga niyo nyara kopage kuraba miriba ine chigoli chinyinge sane kanyore team ya Sportif Nyabururu chigoli sano kanyore team ya Hema Moja FC chigoli sano yo soli weekend ya eta vale konyegania team ya Kiare Sebania Kiare tache tiva kanyora ewo cover ye chigoli bere igo team ya Bucha Stars nero ne team andake ebwate pressure nyinge mwamane nsemeri attacking ese kovunga chigoli chinyinge over 2.5 na nsemo ya magega mbiya bale ko na chiko soli chabwango iga yone yo soli erabe abange baravuga ati chinsemo chiri cha Nyamira koli tukoli yankyo ko chakara chinsa isano na ibere team ya Whiteheart FC konyariga ne team ya Bucha Stars FC nanga nanda janera ko bango bwati senjenga na yengencho aseligio ya FKF Division tukone chinga kiecho nsemo ya SMS line nara wantebna captain Salimia coach Areba coach Makori with team ya Kiamabundu Youth FC. Back in the years we played in Division 2. No maitoyo. Okay. Pia mwana sana ndake nimete Mr. Makori okugani kwao kwanyare kopako goike kono tochokore nseme topate mwana mwana to amurekerie Whiteheart na eligi ya FKF Division 2 enkoyo ya Gusi timanya entunde na inde toikira sali gwikira boniga osemera yuko gwe timu ya Gusi kugenda se playoff kreto kuri probability okubura mwalimu we sabu ere negative ya nseme ya Gucha na kene buna wiketo timu ya Mukova Semi League especially oneno nam kuna chwa magororero ere either Gucha Youth Bucha Stars yinto wato okugena konda chizoni chinde sabu telingie senge njoga timu chiale kuri Nyamira Super Eagles machibita babere tipa maya mwana magaya weekend ya eta kwenda nsemeri ya Manyata na goikoru chigoli bera sebosa andake ese sabu na probability andake nire insake setime Nyamira Super Eagles bumachoge brabu FC ne bwateli bagakorende abale igoro bado mabata baro babwate game at hand na rotelingi ya nire insake igo kunde sentundeye kunde tobatu kwenda bune timu ya mero kurugusi nebense moya playoff iranya lekova gekobororo umwakweta naro ntu abwate timu yemo timanya nkika timu cha Gusi chira kole oiketo twale timu yako directly gwetere playoff kwa swa Division 1 bwana na Kurubax
na tere kwa ne wana unamuntu sometere akubwate some little understanding na strategy tichigwerira segende kuri strategy ninki a playoff ngaye ko that's number 1. The player when you get Kisumu, the team when you get Kisumu 1 week early. They are acclimatized to that environment, but to renew panade that environment. As opposed to a situation in player of Kisumu, a team will travel around a train for 20-30 minutes. That strategy will fall flat on the face. Whatever it is, the team we are for free. Let them go 1 week early. Then number 2. It is part of strategy. Conditioning. Look at the number of matches you are going to play. Wakolege Mambia, 90 minutes. And another one is 90 minutes. Conditioning of the team. For the 1 week, if it is in Nakuru, conditioning. We train players for 90 minutes or even 2 hours in the morning. We rest, have a train for 90 minutes or 2 hours in the afternoon. That is the only thing that will help them. Then number 3, let them take time according to the group opponent watch and opponent analysis. It is important. We may not be very good at that, lakini it works. Na ki opponents work. Unga very strong, very weak. Wanya very cheap dribbler, tumanya na kitoko wa stop. Wanya wala wantu wa direct play, tumanya na kitoko wa stop. Wanya wala wantu wa chimir, tumanya na kitoko wa stop. Kose, it's not even about you go stop. Na kintu to work against them. Wanya wala wantu wa build, maybe to employ a strategy go back, very fast football. It can work. So I'll go back to where I started, strategy. Our brothers in Bucha Stars, our brothers in Bucha Youth, our brothers in Bumachoge, and even Nyamiras Private, because they're possible candidates. Look at your strategy.
Siasa ya mpira unaitwa impact ndio siasa. Especially being again a political year. For FKF.
I may not be very sure. The years now, I believed in winning on the pitch. So think siasa sometimes can have an influence. So it can be either yes or no. Lakini njengo tebe kimbate strategy. Steve nimbate strategy maybe njena tebe na kichi original ngochi kufunga long range from 18 from outside 18 na kisiasa kukanda cancel that goal. So it's a strategy. They need to work very when you get possible. They even get umuntu ko strategist abakonya as they go for the mini league.
Nimetanda kino semi na mama tebuna ngana yo mupira wikenya ariko bage kubu gwetera emesa yake bongo na gwake sabu era ko eri chivu inero chigera chitimu chinde chiko tumeka inere ncheranda ke timu ya Real Madrid ya tumeke tanda ke kunyikore timu ya Manchester City timu erenge no mupira timu era ko minyo kichita emerongo kianda kulindaye sabe were na kigoyoda chiguri cyane chibe kinyinge kichiyo chikobaru chibe kinyinge kobwa echia oyonde nere ko chitimu chonse cyagusibu no mwalimu atebire gucha UTFC gucha Stars, Bumachoge, Borabu, FC, and Nyamira Super Eagles. We wish you all the best. Na chitanda ke mwarura se sabu, chaka ko estabali chako nyevanga mapema, yentunde reposio, onye players ota apate quality, tema koligi valente, imo ni boya kete, tema koligi ni bosibu yentunde kobwati, onye na bwata ni mwa secret official bayigore reposibu yentunde reposio, irere nchira yoka, chiti mchezo ya twele structures chinkongu, chota robo amererio vonene, ase chiligi cheto. Kono manchimuli ya sebonige, nganchere na yako bengo bekera sega gekeigo mangana regete chigosolia se ensemo ya rongo rwagusi na andake etimia Shabana FC wikera boniga nimanyete chigosolia 3-3 yanyora machiutora tebese amaya ukolangani season yengima the last 3 games yabe chingiye senganjo ese chigosoli sato banyura chipoint saro na ibere kuruwese chipoint kianda na machibu abeire amaya na nawa tibagari abenero gusanganere Joash Ogega uyolengo mogosoli ya timu ya Shabana FC kuru mwaka we chiri buivere na inye alengo moke Shabana gatwale mechando sana 2010 ekara asira ekarava buna yabete ande kairana naende baka mwaka 2016-17 Joash Ogega dolengati ya bali bairani Shabana ase league ya National Super League na nansangire tebrengeli bya igoro ya Shabana kiera akole ende nyare kwa kegotiara ase league ya FKF Premier League nonyo bobororo bunanda kasera seboniga ibabegeta sa Kongo
Shabana wono egendo ntagete Shabana wono ngewa bande kubeka uwo bebwensi bimaega toirani tusabere timu yaito enyare okora buya edilmeni Premier League tuganyete koroserie getigi yaito die stadium wono igana masaba ko yebucheri totige siasa jiri chon speaker omuntu abwate siasa yaye toirane tonyesabere egendere muna ya akire mepire yebere yakorire gende kiano ni tutwagokire riete rieto rindigendete gusuka na fan siasa fan beji Shabana nere bwate fan page yabantu Shabana ise kwera na NSL Kenya Premier League nande gochikoba doma ego chikoira na ansemono kwa sababu Shabana bono iganero ya mekiri Premier League ya Kenya kwa Premier League inga bono English ya Premier League ya bonini la ligi bintu nebyo bono ya Shabana ise kwera na ise ligi
hata ata buna Shabana ri wate fan base yani na era bobu soko iranense onye chitiri muchinde che Premier League wata nibo mapira ata buna Shabana yaretiro bwansu geta seri kibutare ngororo obuandake etimu ya Gor Mahia FC na AFC Leopards achoka chia bwato bwaso bwa abatio turi nabantu kurwanirira ebaje timu yabo kone kibuna yasukire bose konde Shabana yakire bune nguru ya gatatu yetomire sana nyamachibu taraba maya mwalimu wantebi ole strategist seboniga ere to survival strategy gutigara se league inki bakora.
About 7 matches, I was looking at the standings. About 7 matches. 7 matches. 3 point maximum which is 21. Pare kurigia formula. I may not know which one. Out of the 21 points, even 15. You win Isano. I'm sure nobody will survive in the league. Back to the playing unit, I would say Chibuna got a few adjustments, just starting 11. Chia Changi, the collect that these good results. Maybe coach I got them will stick with those players, whatever we can collect a good results. Now they are going to 15, so that next season we will know. Have no compete. We thought the season yengango compete yarenge. Lakini ndio wanaokorana tigaba change matuya we wotaka flexibility. Compete side ko yana survive. Maybe try that na bakonya ya bakonya batigire.
Au novo semia bwaye omwalimu nje twekenda tevenkirivuna ora sege sunte wenturo no tumekenjere ndo sikiro borabu kuruchinguru chao chionsi chio mwelio chive kororo gosore ndo bune playoff yo gotigalie se league gosore kire gosore bune finali chinguru chirisha bana ya tumekerete kire yare kuri kyo bonyankongo bwe league ya National Super League kire gosore bune finali kire babungurwe go le mama gosore betu mama bati abuna tuwatie turi chinde onya bato bunge ya mode turi kibere batu ale chinguru bune chu woituma buno uko ebrengeri byaba gosore bichamo technical bench na agenda yemo ni maitebana na beko nyarekana ndake Shabana FC gotigara seri na nyarabuna se weekend ye teli kogo sori ko bantu baticho e break sencho tubaticho sori chia Muzat Bet Cup yage twisiko na leromba bwate kago sori ka kibusani gati yabo Shabana A Shabana B esegetigia Kisi School mbati emana vosivo kumanyana na ekocha yanyo rivagari avene ryo kumanya bosuri baye boronge bonsi ora kiro muntu nyogire 90 bosori bonondole ningo karavya se gati yabo agwanda na mkangula baba gati yabo livanyonseri Shabana Blue asesora gosori Shabana Blue Shabana Red korende ne gosori yake busani tutanyare koba tugusanga mange igoro yae korende egosori kubati Shabana ibagosori na timu ya Sofapaka chinse mochirichia Machako Stadium Sofapaka nere na arinse igone gosori ranyare koba ne relegation struggle yende kunelia abana muoroni igone gosori era benko kurende ndorebne amangana rabe ase egosori yeyu korere chinga kiechie cyo gatokona mana the relegation go survive dabate bamuruka mumuro wabo mo Shabana kurukugusi FC kosora seligi ya National Super League machibu taraba maya lero mbabwa ate kosori na Rainbow gatigia Kisi School na sekosori yeyo twara Rainbow ko arch point 3 chigo libera seyemo baikore timu ya Gusi FC wekira bono Gusi FC asiri chigo sori sano chibwate kaine ajo point 15 chibwate kaine chiachire chionsipi Gusi FC coach Ongoro nenya lekaneti gara se league ntunde.
And it's possible as a football, but again nakuwa na some kila kangecheta yule ya against the infinite part. Why kuna rago deal na the things happening outside the field. If onye kende kero kali happen outside the field, maybe they wagi address as a matter of urgency. Onye kerenga maybe koremerwa wakifedha ateme go address using chama na chamba yote pay bill but ile I don't know how best they can do that.
Onye te mwalimu mbia tutebya abancha bali bagusie kena na keme chando mono gusie FC ya twalire eme chando ya structures na eme chando ye nivo twarorira ndake ebade se bale woni sinjego baina nete gokove yemo bakarusi ku point 3 kuikravoniga twarego sonero bakwa mete bakaendeta ikayo mwali kilikuwa lontevi kwa acclimatize na wika mapema nkianya rekana na kuruabo twarorira ndake chikocha season yemo chikocha nge isano sita ba narira kwa bakobe timu ya Shabana bacha pakogenda imagine yombo solio yomo osamigo murimo yemo nabalimu batano nechinjera chingao chinga kando neke taranda ke timu ya Gusii FC nero abagosori bakoba demoralize ndukere ni betari ese team nonye training yego kongese ngenjo training allowance teyo bintu biga nerimbi yo moral teyo mwa gosara bakwamua agende so bali yendagera agende kibarwe kingao commitment yake yagetira meten arwana kidinke yawo chikobaga konyora yairire moral ya chirense kati bintu bya koresha bana ko bayiga serese ngenjo preparation ye kongete yoka igono motebi ole home rwando bupui bado ta kunyara kendo zinjo you can only produce what you consume.
Yeah, of course wakebe kirende unakibwana takoba patia karabone binzebyo mrefa sokora kwani ngweka ni players wano na abana jeshi bagoteba na they fight to the last drop of blood abagosori abari kuri the value the preciousness yes lot ya NSL National Super League batebenga encharebe ikeko banke whatever bono we are going to fight to the last drop of our blood but one of the team they win no any san na kwa there before basically those kind of wins hoping they still have that number of matches or more the team with the Super League then it will be easy, it will be very easy because they are after reason the management here can decide a change in ownership because it is not a secret. Gusii acquire ownership Gruase, Sony Sugar. So now I got them a fight so that vertical next lot here Super League. This is a mega coronation in the Bangira work, but then we give prospective investor ownership will change. Because in so doing those players who fight vertically, they will be having a platform because you know they move number of ones. So it is a win-win situation. Team ya Tigre NSL, the players were Tigre, maybe on your resources better, they will get an income by the change of ownership. Maybe that is the kind of strategy that can help us a lot.
Manjamani na mara bakomboli andake captain ingiora tebego ya chikosori chiaba suba tia chikosori chiaba suba tingelete ko bugata ansease orongo rwa Gusii na ntobate kati abo timu ya Nyamira Lowlands FC ntobate timu ya Kisii Queens FC chikosori ase ligi ya FKF Division 1 wekira boniga ama isonsi ya lese ikeweno gyankyo chense mochana kuru Vikas Queens FC mbaiba konyegania timu ya Kisii Queens FC wekira bono Vikas Queens chipointe 33 Kisii Queens chipointe 32 osori yankyo nere osori yo mwelio ye ligi ere must win ase Kisii Queens FC erinde baba nyankongo ba FKF Division 1 no ya mubeku kusikavosio koenda sema ya National Super League korwa Sero Mbeyu first leg Vikas Queens FC chigoli Vikas Queens FC bagaikorune timu ya Kisii Queens ibera sepose tigi ya Sameta Grounds ankyo Kisii Vikas Queens FC Kisii Queens FC away ase Kisii Queens must win.
They can win. Again, to Kinakwa a few minutes ago. Pamanyenga, it is do or die. And then when you're everybody else. It's recently now about the number of things women Premier League. So for me, Premier League it's a very lucrative opportunity. Eddie Guerrero was what he was sponsored decides to come in and pump in that there was a 1 billion. For these teams that would be a very good percentage creating as opposed to its chairman, as which team division is up to your cover. That amount Simon Tarat said which I injected. This Kisii Queens right. If they find themselves there, a very big gain for them. But let them remember, 90 minutes of where the child decided FBT. Maybe a child Rochia at that time, did I Kaisan? Wasikira nyingi for the 10 years na vile wait at na roch plus 12 minutes. Tukanyole goli dakika ya plus 7 against them moja. But they didn't let them work with plus 3. Plus 3. Their fate is in their hands. I know these guys are very capable. Estrada wako na help wangu. Tebe yokuliki chigoli. Usinyampi. The worst happens when you see Olem game here. It can work. If you get a draw for them, it's not going to work. A defeat is not going to work, but a win-win work for them.
Mwalimu wote avuna inawezekana ase ekegosori yuna nyara una chinga kiechie chintu wate chigosori chiri chia itimia rugby ya rongo rugby ya Kisi Rugby FC ya watikewe na lero nimbe nkorora na kiama chivu abase Kisi RFC vare kosori amuna etimia Zitek ya rugby na kosori ya playoff ekerengo ya chi quarter final kora ningo raske kurwase iligi vare ya Nationwide League kuenda ase iligi rebosio nesa wali ya vire ntambe ase rugby tenga vuna nkoyo okorwe kerenge kemo kwage kende kuikuike semerie finali ntorora machiba vira ase timu ya Kisi RFC yetumire sana wikase kirango gya ikire ninkotebya machibu kurwa second kuego sori bare ko sori amuna Zitek kumanche murere tokwenda omotimo ko omoke sana ai ntobe tukurana tokoreri tio sori anse mo ya Europe na kichia beire mona mona ase ligi ya English Premier League, Spanish La Liga inkiendere tororogose